Hey guys, welcome back to another Chinese Zero to Hero video. I'm back with another list of great Chinese films for you to watch free on YouTube right here. I made 2 videos in the past. If you haven't seen them, go watch them. I'll leave a link in the video description or you can find it in our channel. But it seems like many of you really enjoyed these kind of videos. So here's another one. These all have subtitles, and if in the future they're no longer available here on YouTube, you should still be able to find them on streaming services. The first one on my list is called 钢的琴, Piano in a Factory, 2011. The story is set in an industrial city in Dongbei, which is northeastern China. This quirky drama comedy follows a divorced father who is desperate to win custody of his daughter. And when she asks for a piano, something he couldn't afford, he comes up with an idea to build one from steel scrap. Getting help from his friends and factory buddies, this film is both gritty and whimsical, painting a picture of the working class life during China's economic shifts. I especially love the cinematography on this one. This is one of my favorite Chinese films that came out in the past 20 years. It's touching, funny, and meaningful.
我这个是从厂里图书馆拿的一本书，
钢琴制造。
造钢琴，那得是多大的事业呀？你以为就你有孩子呢？啊？
The second one here on my list is 阳光灿烂的日子, In the Heat of the Sun, 1994. Set in the Cultural Revolution, 文化大革命, or in short, 文革. This is one of the best coming-of-age films told through the dreamy recollections of the main character, Ma Xiaojun, a teenage boy in the streets of Beijing. It captures the chaos, innocence, and rebellion of youth, a nostalgic and introspective look at adolescence during a complex period in China. The Mandarin has some regional Beijing dialects, but it's not too hard to understand, and the director Jiang Wen is also one of my favorite Chinese directors of all time.
你叫我吗？
咱们仿佛在哪儿见过吧？
得了吧，小马孩，你才多大就干这个了？
Before moving on to the next one, I want to share with you how you can get more serious with Chinese learning. To help you increase your comprehensible input, you can check out Language Player. This allows you to watch tens of thousands of videos with interactive subtitles, save common words and phrases and review them later, and explore hundreds of movies and TV series and books across all major languages. Visit languageplayer.io. But for more systematic learning of Mandarin, we recommend our courses on our website, which follow the HSK official curriculum. From grammar to vocabulary to listening and reading exercises, if you want a clear step-by-step guide to mastering Mandarin, our courses are perfect for you. As a viewer of this video, we have a special coupon for you, so enter this code at the checkout for a nice discount. Visit ChineseZeroToHero.com. Alright, back to the list. The third one is 天下无贼, A World Without Thieves, 2004. The story is mainly set on a train bound for Tibet. A young, naive man with a fortune in cash insists that he doesn't believe in thieves, despite being surrounded by many of them. A pair of professional swindlers board the train with their own moral codes, and it seems like they want to help this young man and protect him from all the thieves on the train, but what follows is a tense but often funny game of cat and mouse. The film balances suspense and action. The dialogue is clever but fast, with regional accents and interesting idioms, making it a fun challenge for Mandarin learners. And the last one on my list is 非诚勿扰, If You Are the One, 2008. The story follows a successful but eccentric inventor, Qin Fen. He decides it's time to find love, so he puts out a very blunt personal ad that attracts a bunch of hilariously mismatched dates. Things change when he meets the love interest, a beautiful but emotionally complex woman with her own hidden pain. What begins as a quirky romantic comedy turns into a thoughtful meditation of companionship, honesty, and emotional healing. The dialogue is witty and sharp in the first half, then slows down to deeper, more reflective conversations, great for Mandarin learners. As of today, I couldn't really find this on YouTube. I think they took it down, but I'll still provide a link in the description to watch it on other streaming sites.
把手伸进去，不是头，是手。锤子、剪子、布，一、二、三。
哦，有意思。嗯哼，耍不了赖啊！你发明的？
我发明的。你试想一下，如果这位漂亮的小姐，咱们俩都喜欢，
她指定不能跟你。
我是举例子。
And that's all for my recommendations of Chinese films in this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or recommendations of other Chinese films that you really enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check out ChineseZeroToHero.com for our HSK courses and LanguagePlayer.io to learn languages through videos and subtitles. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video.